WordPress full-site editing FSE themes bring a new level of flexibility and power to building faster websites with WordPress. FSE is truly a game-changer for WordPress themes, giving you complete control and customization through the Gutenberg editor and blocks. It's also known as a block theme. Modern FSE themes come with ready-made patterns, sections, and layouts, all customizable using default Gutenberg blocks. They're responsive by default, supporting different breakpoints and widths like full, wide, and narrow. Now, let's install and customize a block theme to create a modern, faster website. Head over to Appearance Arrow Themes from your WordPress dashboard. Click Add New Theme. Here, you'll find a list of the latest and most popular themes. Search for the one you like. In our case, we'll use the AriaFSE theme. It's always a good idea to preview before installing. Once ready, click Install and then Activate. After activation, we can start customizing our theme. Everything is fully customizable, from the header to every single element. You can update headings using the default heading blocks and customize colors, fonts, and more directly inside the editor. From the template section, we can easily navigate to the header and footer. Aria also includes a dedicated settings page for extra control, coming soon. Inside the editor, you'll find all the ready-made page templates listed under All Templates. With AriaFSE, you can also import ready-made demos or templates from the aBlocks template library. But before doing that, make sure you've installed and activated the aBlocks plugin on your WordPress site. Now, let's explore the Ready Templates library. You can browse or search templates by category, making it easy to find the one that fits your design. To insert a template, simply click Start Import. The template will begin importing, and once completed, it'll be ready for use. After import, you can open the template directly and start editing it from the top toolbar. Once the page opens, it's fully customizable. Every part can be adjusted to fit your design needs. All customization is handled by aBlocks, giving you advanced options like motion effects, floating elements, and more. In the General tab, you can control every block's content, layout, and styling. With full flexibility using Flexbox and grid layouts. You'll even have the ability to add advanced customizations for image blocks, including motion effects and animations. And that's how we can build a complete website using Gutenberg and an FSE theme with full customization power. Pretty cool, right? So, get ready for the next tutorial, where we'll create even more advanced websites using Gutenberg and FSE themes, like e-commerce and more. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with our upcoming tutorials.